My name is CA Gautam Jain, and I am from Hyderabad, a teacher since last 12 years, 12 plus years. And before coming to Arride, I was pretty much confused as to I had to travel down from Hyderabad to Nagpur, and I was not very clear about for what is that I'm traveling, because I didn't had any clarity, and I had that negative mindset of what is that these people are going to train me as I train so many students. But then after coming to Arride and attending this training session for 2 to 3 days, I understood that they're trying to bridge that gap between those traditional or the conventional teachers or the teachers and the students by way of technology. Many sell their product, but then no one explains exactly how end to end this works and what is this product useful for, which that is where Arride is different from others, helps us in understanding the complete picture of this recording of classes and reaching out to the students, plus solving our technical queries or computer related queries which we are not good at, and then providing this post sale support as well. So I strongly recommend all of you to go for Arride, their consultancy, their product, their services. Thank you all.